It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 8th of July. I'm James Spann. Nice and quiet today. Things stay pretty quiet through the weekend. Hot afternoons, showers, very isolated. Big upper ridge forming across the Southeast United States, keeping it mostly hot and dry. And understand, every day there's the chance of a storm, but they'll just be very widely spaced. The action on the periphery of the heat bubble to the west and north of here. So can you find anything? That was the radar at 225. Maybe a little spritz up there around the shoals, and that's about it. Temperatures mostly low 90s, Birmingham at 92. We'll see mid-90s by Friday and the weekend. But next week, we think the heat levels come back down. Hey, look at St. Louis up north. They're sitting at 62 with rain falling. Wow, how about that for a July day? And they are under a flash flood watch. That watch extends all the way from Dallas-Fort Worth up to Tulsa, St. Louis, Indianapolis, down into Kentucky. A couple of severe weather risks north and west of the state for the rest of today and tonight. Tomorrow, a risk around Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and Philadelphia. And on day 3, no organized severe weather expected around the nation. Rain for the next 5 days. How about nothing? Zero, zilch. And understand, I do think we see storms every day, but most of you will not get wet. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. Atlantic Basin, very quiet. Western Pacific watching the typhoon by the name of Chan-Ham. It's possibly going to make landfall on the coast of China about the time the weekend gets here. It should be weakening, but it still could be a formidable hurricane at that point. So we'll keep an eye on that thing. But around here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. Heat bubble on top of us, just like today. Lots of sun. Any storms hard to find. The GFS is printing 93. The NAM is at 94. Same thing Friday. Chance of any one spot getting wet, I'd say 10% or less. And that's going to be the deal for the weekend. This is Saturday. Mid-90s are likely. Saturday and Sunday. And again, any showers and storms isolated. Lots of hazy sun. Just old, hot, muggy, summertime weather. Monday of next week, though, the heat bridge begins to shift off to the west. And a trough begins to form over the east. And that should open the door for some changes. Still, I think Monday will be hot and maybe a little better chance of storms, but a clear increase on Tuesday. A surface low is north of us, and that looks like a decent chance of showers and storms with highs going back in the 80s. Now, the GFS is printing 88. And a week from today, look at the upper low near Memphis. Wow. How about that for a heat buster? And if that's right, it would be mostly cloudy with occasional showers, maybe some thunder, and a high only in the 80s. So it looks like another nice break from the heat by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. This is the end of the forecast. This is Saturday, July 18th. Still, we've got that weak upper low near Memphis, and again, that would suggest a chance of at least scattered showers and storms. Again, the ensembles, the top numbers are too hot. Bring them down about 5 degrees. Again, I think by the middle of next week, we'll see 80s. And the anomalies, July 16th through the 22nd. It's got above average here, but I see no reason for any really extremely hot weather, and we all know we can be cooking around here this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and if you can, catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.